Modality of the month. This one is perceptual positions. I absolutely love this process. So the step-by-step guide of how to do it is in my latest e-newsletter. And this is a quick visual to show you what it would look like if people could see you doing it in real life. And this is, of course, a process you're doing in your mind's eye, but it is an absolute powerhouse and a game changer. So enjoy this modality of the month. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist and futurist from TranceFormationstm.com. And with regards to perceptual positions, it's a wonderful way to get a change of perspective. Enjoy, and I'll catch you later.
Perceptual positions is a powerful process. Float above a situation to get a different perspective.